Let's learn how to read Snapchat messages without them knowing. If you want to read someone's message without them knowing you did it, but you don't know how, you don't have to worry anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open the Snapchat app. Once you've opened Snapchat, you'll be on the camera screen, but you don't need to be there. You need to be on the screen where all your chats are located. That screen will open when you click on the Chats option, which is located at the bottom left, next to the camera icon. When that screen opens, you will see all your conversations. On that screen, you now need to find the chat where you want to view the messages. When you found the chat with that person, you need to click on their avatar and at the same time swipe to the right. When you do this, you'll see the chat, but just don't swipe all the way. If you do, then that person will know that you viewed the message. And when you want to exit the chat, just swipe to the left and that's it. That was a tutorial on how to view a message without the other person knowing. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.